In this video, we will show you examples of species and processes in nature that are highly efficient in energy usage. Maybe we as humans, number one in wasting energy, can learn a thing or two from them. Stay tuned to find out. In just 1.5 hours, there's more energy coming from our sun than all the energy combined humans consume in 1 year. Basically, all life on Earth comes directly or indirectly from sunlight. For example, a leaf of grass takes the sunlight as a direct source of energy. The leaf then gets eaten by a herbivore, which ultimately might end up as prey for bigger predators. And nature's ultimate goal is to do this in the most efficient way without wasting any excess energy. All this makes it even more obvious to look in nature for improving our own energy production, usage and waste. Let's take a look at our first example. Next to the popular solutions of wind, solar and hydroelectric energy, there's still a form of renewable energy in the waters of our oceans, wave or tidal energy, which is largely unexplored up until now. Trying to harvest the kinetic energy of the sea, researchers from Australian-based Biopower Systems took a closer look at seaweed. Seaweed plants can easily grow several meters tall, and instead of resisting the surrounding tidal waters, it sort of goes with the flow, waving back and forth. The researchers took inspiration from that and in 2015 created a prototype, the so-called BioWave, which is a 250 kilowatts underwater system with pivoting heads that are moved by water currents. At the moment, they are working on a better system producing 1 megawatts. The most efficient swimmer in our oceans is the jellyfish. Yes, you heard that right. Jellyfishes swim about 3.5 times more efficient than a salmon, which is second on the list. In course of evolution, jellyfish developed a mode of transportation following a unique contract and relax action that actually allows them to recapture some of the energy they just spent on making the motion. First, the jellyfish will contract and push itself forward and then instantly relax, causing a second wave for which it uses no energy whatsoever. Brad Gemmell, researcher from the Marine Biological Laboratory in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, said the following to describe the process. That secondary vortex ring contributes up to 30% of the total distance the animal travels with each contraction, which is significant. It's a neat little trick they use. The animal is paused, it's not expanding any additional energy, but it is still accelerating. So after all, jellyfish might not be the fastest swimmers, but the most efficient ones for sure. It might not be the most obvious energy waster, but huge tanks containing and storing liquids like water can potentially freeze or become stagnant if it isn't regularly mixed up. However, stirring up a giant water tank requires a lot of energy. But again, smart people from PAX Scientific in Australia found a fascinating solution by looking at hurricanes, tornadoes and even the human cochlea in the middle ear. They developed the so-called lily impeller, imitating the natural flow pattern of a hurricane. This new impeller can circulate millions of liters of water with the same energy expenditure as 3 100-watt light bulbs. In a test, the impeller was 7 to 10 times more efficient than a conventional alternative. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you made it all the way until here, I would like to ask you to leave a like if you enjoyed it and maybe even subscribe for more content like this. There will usually be one video every weekend. But most importantly, take care of yourselves and have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day.